A very good morning, dear students. I am Monica Ravani, here to guide you regarding the subject called Financial Accounting 1, that is for BBM first sem. So before discussing regarding what all chapters are there in this subject, I would like to guide you regarding what is the objective of implementing this subject for BBM first sem. First main objective of this accounting subject here is to help the students in preparing the financial accounts. As the name itself says, financial accounting, it means this subject is going to guide you regarding preparation of financial accounts and statements. Also, by preparing the financial statement, it will help you in taking the management decisions. As you are aware that no business is complete with the preparation of the financial statements. The financial statement is such a core element or core source from where whole public, investors, creditors, government, etc. will come to know the position of your business. So the success of your organization basically depends on the financial position or financial status. This subject helps you to become the professional accountants and also helps you to prepare the financial statements in accordance with the accounting standards. So these were some of the objectives or the reasons why this subject has been implemented for BBM first sem students. Let us now discuss regarding the syllabus of BBM first sem. Basically, the whole syllabus is divided into 5 units or 5 chapters. First unit here it is regarding accounting and its functions. Second unit is regarding accounting principles. Third is regarding accounting mechanism 1 that deals with the maintenance of basic records. Fourth unit, it deals with accounting mechanism 2 which deals with the preparation of financial statements. In the last unit or last chapter, it deals with the preparation of final accounts, mainly of the sole trading concern. So here, the first unit, it deals with meaning of accounting, functions of accounting, features of accounting, objectives of accounting, advantages of accounting, disadvantages of accounting, scope of accounting in the form of information, as well as role and activities of accounting and accountant or accounting personnel. So here you will be studying all the theoretical aspects. Okay, that is the first unit. Second unit here, it deals with the accounting principles. Accounting principles as in the sense, these are nothing but the principles on the basis of which all the financial statements are being prepared. So this unit deals with accounting standards, accounting concepts, accounting conventions, nature and purpose of accounting standards, importance of accounting standards in India as well as international accounting standards. So these are the subtopics that you will be studying under the second unit. The third module here, it deals with the accounting mechanism 1, mainly with the preparation of basic records. Basic record here in the sense it helps you or it will guide you regarding preparation of journal, process of posting the journal items to the ledger, preparation of the trial balance, subdivision of the journal, bank reconciliation sales statement, system of accounting, that is uh, the basic rules on the basis of which you are going to prepare the basic records, as well as you will be studying here regarding the accounting cycle. Okay, so here it is a first part in preparation of the financial statement. So it deals with all the numerical aspects. Fourth module here, it deals with the accounting mechanism 2. That is, after preparation of all the basic records, the next step that you will be dealing with or the next procedure you will be following is preparation of the financial statements. Here, preparation of financial statement, basically this unit will be dealing or guiding you regarding preparation of trading account, profit and loss account, balance sheet, conceptual basis if a balance sheet form, and classification of items, adjustment entries, and if there are any rectification of errors, how you are going to rectify those errors or mistakes. So this unit also deals with the numerical problems. The last unit that you will be studying in this subject here is final accounts. Final accounts with regards to the sole trading concern, including the manufacturing account. Sole trading concern, basically it deals with the individual who is going to run and manage the business. Okay, who is the sole proprietor. So if your business is a sole proprietor, how you are going to maintain the final accounts. So these are the 5 units of 5 chapters that you will be learning in the subject called Financial Accounting 1. Thank you.